they gon' be mad. One wants to settle down, I'm like whatever. The other wants to marry me, I'm like never. I'm sorry for them, but
Hey, okay, this is Lindsay, day in the life. So we have, oh, here you go, look. Okay, did y'all see that guy there? Okay, we have Belief. Oh, there go that family. That boy's still alive. The little boy's still alive, Lord. But we have theory to believe that he is getting head by a minor out in Forest Park. But we don't know completely if that's true or not. What you think, Lamar?
I don't know. We're gonna find out. What we're gonna do, we're gonna bust this quick ass U-turn. Go right back up that bitch, up the glove compartment open. But yeah, we finna do a whole 360 on this bitch.
Yeah, cause we gonna get to the bottom of this. We're gonna find out if he is or is he not getting head from that little girl.
I can't
and if
turn
he is,
around now, but I'm gonna go back all the way up the hill.
look at the water basin, everyone. The moon out for some reason.
Yeah, it's fucking 7:36. What kind of shit is that? We having apocalypse, people. I'm telling you.
Oh, whatever.
For all people who don't know about this Illuminati shit, y'all better get hip now.
Look at all the little hoes walking and running.
Oh, the thick ass one.
Don't be looking.
Thick little white girl.
'Cause I'm in love with that girl.